How to use YouTube Kids on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use this app. First of all, open the application. So what is YouTube Kids? Basically, this is a YouTube platform for kids and children. Here, all the videos related to kids will pop up and everything related to 18 plus won't be shown here. So it's a safe way to show kids the YouTube videos. Now, in order to use it in an Android, it's quite simple. First, you must set it through Google and later you can easily approve it. So you are a guide of your kid. Here you can even restrict different videos according to your choice. Now, the best way is simply downloading a lot of videos and later you can watch it offline too. So YouTube Kids is a very friendly app for kids. Now, simply select a video that you want to show to your kid and you're all set to go. There won't be any ads or different pop-ups that will distract the kid, and later you can easily switch it or even set up a timer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.